Hello. How are you today? Okay. Yes, Blue took off of you. Yeah. I'm doing good today. Yeah, you can come out. Blue's not gonna get you. Hi. Hello. You can come out. I won't let him get you. Come on out. Okay. Hi. How you feeling today? You okay? Okay, well, tomorrow I'm gonna have some bird seed for you, okay? All right. Tomorrow I have bird seed. Okay. I will do that tomorrow. I have the bird seed. I didn't have birdseed today, but I will tomorrow. Okay. You doing okay today? You okay? Okay, well tomorrow I have some birdseed and I'll see if you'll come and get it from me, okay?